Hey, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you how to make 5 different summer manicures using different items you can find around your house. For the first design, we're doing some color blocking, so start off with a base coat and a coat of sheer polish. Cut a strip of Scotch tape and then stick it on your skin to make it less sticky before applying it to the center of your nail horizontally. Take a neon polish, I chose an orange color for here, and paint over the whole nail. When you're finished, immediately remove the tape so the polish doesn't dry to it. We're going to be painting over these orange stripes, so to make sure the polish doesn't get pulled up by the tape, apply a top coat and let it dry. Apply another stripe of tape vertically on your nail and then paint the 2 sides white. Again, remove the tape immediately after you've painted. Apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. Next, we have some blue beads, so again, start with a sheer base and then take a pen and apply a dark blue polish to the back of it. Use the pen as a dotting tool to make 3 large blue circles down the center of your nail. Use the back of the pen again to make slightly smaller white circles within the blue ones. Next, use a bobby pin as a smaller dotting tool. Dip the bobby pin in a light blue polish and make 3 more circles. Finish it off with a small black dot in the center of each circle. Apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. Next up is a bit of a classier summer look, so again, start with a sheer base and when it's dry, apply a piece of tape over the top third of your nail. Fill in the bottom 2/3 of the nail with white and then remove the tape. Apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. Fold a piece of tape in half and cut a little isosceles triangle into it. It should look like this when you unfold the tape. Apply the tape to the center of your nail and fill it in with gold polish. Apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. For this nail, we're going to be making a rainbow gradient, so start off with 1 coat of a white polish. For the gradient, we can use eyeshadow sponges. If they're old ones that you've used before, make sure you clean them first. Apply a bit of neon pink polish to the makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail. Repeat this with the rest of the colors in the rainbow. I chose to put the colors in a kind of pinwheel pattern, but you can apply them in any way that you want. I also put some Scotch tape around my nails before starting to try to keep as much polish off my skin as possible. When you're happy with the colors, remove the tape and use either another eyeshadow sponge or a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover to clean up around the edges. Apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design. For the last nail, we're going to do some beachy, ocean-inspired nails. So first, apply a coat of a sheer dark blue polish and let it dry. Once the polish is dry, take some kitchen plastic wrap and scrunch it up a bit. Paint a coat of a lighter blue polish over the dark one, and while it's still wet, dab the plastic wrap into the polish to remove some of it and to make it look like reflections on the water. Keep gently dabbing until you're happy with the look, and then apply a glossy top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So those are the summer designs I have for you today. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.